Hey everyone! Working with PDFs inside Word can get tricky. Sometimes you want to attach the file, other times you need the content inside your document. In this video, I will show you how to do both quickly and clearly. Alright, here's the first thing you can do if you have a PDF you want to bring into Word. Place your cursor where you want the PDF to appear inside your Word document. Next, go to the top and click on the Insert tab. On the right side, click the Object button. A small window will pop up. Select the second tab that says Create from File. Now click on Browse and choose the PDF file you want to insert. You can see a checkbox here that says Display as icon. If you tick this, Word will insert the PDF as a small icon instead of showing the first page. If you leave it unticked, Word would display the first page of the PDF right inside your document. For now, we will leave it unchecked. Go ahead and click OK. And there it is. The first page of the PDF is now embedded into your Word file. You can click to resize it as needed and double click to open the full PDF. Just for comparison, if I check Display as icon, this is what it looks like. Clean and minimal, and when you double click it, the original PDF opens up the same way. Alright, now let's look at the next method, inserting the actual content from a PDF into a Word document. Go back to the Insert tab. This time, click the small arrow next to Object and choose Text from File. Find the PDF you want to use, select it, and click Insert. A message pops up saying Word will try to pull the content from the PDF. Click OK. Let's just hope it doesn't also pull in your grocery list and your 2020 resolutions. Word now brings in the text from the PDF right into your document. This works best for simple PDFs, like text-based documents or forms. You can now edit, style, or format the content just like any regular Word text. And that's it. Now you know two easy ways to insert a PDF into a Word document. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.